What's up, dears? Lexra here. If you're new, hi, I'm Lexra. I am a artist, game developer, anime lover, and Asian music enthusiast. Today we will be checking out the first episode in the second season of Demon Slayer Kimetsu no Yaiba. So this is gonna be my first reaction to Demon Slayer. No, I didn't do the first season. I watched all that by myself, enjoyed it, went off, read the manga. So I'm a manga reader. I read all the manga, was obsessed with it. So yeah, you all the anime onlys who are like who are waiting for the season and stuff, you guys are you're in for a treat. That's all I'll say. So yeah, this first episode, or this first part of the season, is for the Mugen train. I do know that. I did kinda watch the movie, but it's always good to have a recap or whatever. So I'll be watching the Mugen Train arc, and then we'll be getting into the entertainment district or whatever, the red light district, next. And that's where everything is. That's one of my favorite arcs. I think, mostly because of Tengen. I don't know if you guys really need like a recap. Not really a recap, but like kind of like how did I feel about like the first season of Demon Slayer. I don't know, you might. It was great. My favorite character is Giyu. I just love him. Out of like the trio, I really like Inosuke, my little Ino. He's so cute. He's great. He's it's a little dumb, but you know, it's fine. He's great. He's a great character. Honestly, I like all three of them. Tanjiro's great. Zen is great when his mouth isn't open, and Inosuke's, yeah, I love him. I think that's good. That's a good enough recap for you, right? I thought the season was great, and I like characters. Woo! So yeah, let's get into this first episode. And I heard like there's new scenes and stuff for this first episode, and I think there's new scenes like everywhere, technically. Like they'll throw in like some new scenes here and there, or I don't know. Oh no. I too would run. Yeah, well, sometimes you're just fodder, you know? Those noodles look umai. Man, I wish I had some delicious food right now. Yeah, I can't focus on the freaking subs because I'm just paying attention to him making these noodles. Wait. The slasher appears again. So this is interesting. They're giving like a premise instead of just like jumping right into it. Everything is umai. Okay. Or maybe that guy's just like an amazing cook. Amazing chef. I'm so sorry to break it to you, little girl, but the food? Yeah. Eat it. Are you gonna eat it? Of course you you know what? Do you know his... Buy all of them. All of them. Oh, you sure you're not gonna eat them all yourself? She knows something. Uh-oh. Let's go. Grandma said we gotta go. We going. We gotta go. Let's go. Ah, time to get off. Is that on the way? Ah! Time to get off! Jump off! But he took the bento, right? Okay, good. I haven't been commenting on like how great everything looks. Ufotable, I don't know how to actually say their name. I like Ufotable. That sounds cool. I've been saying it like that. But yeah, amazing work as always. Sure you were. Tomorrow. Wow. Oh. Hey! How dare you? I met them for like 2 minutes, but you must help him. He says with a smile. Ooh. I love their line weight and stuff. Without a single scar. How fast? Oh. Can he regenerate though? You fast though, bruh. They're like, wait, I thought you were just a bento vendor. Oh, okay. Oh. Are you as fast as a train right to stop? Travel at the speed of light then, bruh. I'm not scared. He's got. Oh wait. Oh well. No, he's gonna get here. Grandma, you couldn't have. I don't know. Had a bottle. But she'll be fine. There. Wow. I'm surprised she didn't get destroyed in that. Very fast. Very fast. Already dead. Stop, why are you so cool? Ah, so it was his dad, grandpa, an ancestor, grandfather, dad, grandfather, I'm sorry, those hands look real nice. It's like, no, I myself am 20. Okay, that was a dab. Yeah, because I guess you'd always like live in fear if you knew. If you're just ignorant and in the dark about stuff. You have a, can you stop? Well, if you want to jinx it, that's fine. Did he at least get like a little nap in? Did y'all get a little nap in? Bye, random characters that we'll never see again ever. You know! How much is 36 cents? Stop. Hello. Hello. I was gonna say something, but never mind. Am I? That foliage looks really nice. Yay! I mean... He's very kind. Ah! Shinobi bus girl. Oh. Love him. Love him. So you all love him, basically. Cute. How'd I forget about him? Where is he? Love him. Cause wait, does nobody talk to Giyu? Nobody likes Giyu. Okay, so that was the first episode in the second season of Demon Slayer Kimetsu no Yaiba. Yeah, I liked the extra elements that they added to it to kind of like give more of a backstory on like why Rengoku is even like on the train and like his mission and stuff. So yeah, that was cool, and like bringing more to his character, I guess. just to get to see just like a little more of him. He's always hungry. He thinks everything's delicious. He loves to smile, and he is here to save those in need. But yeah, he's a great character. Really great. Little smile. It's kind of creepy though. I'm not gonna lie. His smile actually does kind of creep me out sometimes. But it's great. He's great. So yeah, I'm looking forward to the rest of the season. But I'm really looking forward to the red light district. So I need to hurry up. And our love Hashira is just like, oh my gosh, he's so cool, he's so cool, he's so cool. Do you want to make eye contact with the person you're speaking to right now? Boy, if you... What's up, dears? Lehxra here, back with Season 2, Episode 2 of Demon Slayer Kimetsu no Yaiba. So, last episode, we got to know more about Rengoku and his, like, just more of his personality, more of who he is as a character. He's really cool and, kind of loud, maybe a little obnoxious, but he's cool. He's great. He's great. He saved those people. He didn't have to. Well, I mean, I guess that's kind of his job. But he saved them, and yeah, they're, you know, alive. So we're getting more into what I think is known territory in the Mugen Train arc starting from this episode, I believe. So yeah, I really want to just like speed through it, but no, I'm gonna watch it, check out for things that I haven't seen. Plus, it's been some time since I've seen it anyway, so check it out. Episode 2. It had a title, I don't remember what it was. Oh, you know, you're so dumb. I mean, shoot, it might be. Ooh, yeah, cinematography, let's work it. Oh, we've got the opening theme. That train looks so good. Lisa likes doing that, huh? Where like the verse and then like the chorus are like kind of like really, maybe not dramatically different, but like, I don't know, different. But it's still like the same, I don't know. Oh, that looks so cool. No, but why that train looks so good? I'll be forgetting, you know, has a last name. Okay. You're not gonna yell in my ear, are you? Zenitsu has it worse. Oh, you're gonna have such a bad time. And our love Hashira is just like, oh my gosh, he's so cool, he's so cool, he's so cool. Okay. Never mind. I don't know. Do you want to make eye contact with the person you're speaking to right now? Or I don't know. Yeah, he's very caring. He's great. Boy, if you... Stop. What foliage pack y'all got? It looks so nice. Yeah! Excellent. Yeah? What's it smell like? It's stanky. Slap him, wake him up. Something's wrong. Ah! Do it. Oh. Ooh. Your flame's kind of sexy. Ooh. I bet that sounded so cool in theaters. Oh, well, okay. Be flexible then. Show off, I guess. Oh, did we need all the sounds too? That's Daddy Long Arms. I love the thickness of their line art. It's so pretty. It's sexy. Yes. I'm just really into like thick lines. Some thick lines. They thick. Aniki! Wait, are you actually saying this, Tanjiro? Is this actually happening? Stop! They saw how sexy his swordsmanship is. They're like, yes, please teach. You're sleeping on top of him. Yeah, okay. Boy, I bet you heavy too. How much that head weigh? It's a kid. You good? You not? Like, did you put him to sleep or did you kill him? Sleepy baby. That still look nice. That got me out here wanting to go make a landscape. I should. My student version of Maya is like about to expire. They were so cute. He's like, wait, what? Little siblings? That tackle was so strong it could have killed him. The ponytail's back! The ponytail's back! It was so cute. Yeah. Not gonna lie, I kind of like your outfit though. You had two pretty parents. Made all these pretty kids. Stop talking. That's really just a really nice model. Such a good model. Love the train. I keep talking about the train. It's sexy. Oh, tell us, tell us. Does that mean like pupils? Oh no, we're falling asleep. Should have been. Okay, that was fun. So we've all been put to sleep in this dream world by the lower what number was it? 1? I don't know. Whatever freaking demon that dude was. And his freaking annoying voice. I don't like his voice. I'm sorry. But yeah, we've got put to sleep by him. The whole train's just sleeping. And so these kids, they tie themselves up to them, our main cast. So what's gonna happen? I wonder. That was a great episode. I was just, you know, just going crazy over the art direction and just like the art in general. The cinematography, just like everything really. The sound design was great. Everything's just it's just so good. Like, bro, like how much money goes into this? How many millions goes into this? This is a lot for great quality entertainment. Okay, so that's gonna be it for me. Check out the stuff that's up there. It's always in the description below if you're on YouTube. I'll see you dear sometime soon. Bye bye.